Hi all, welcome to this Streamlit session. So in this video, we'll see different status. How can we show in Streamlit dashboard? So see, like suppose you want to say maybe warning, error, or success. So how can we show this in Streamlit dashboard? Okay. So let me start with Streamlit. See, I have already created this file that status.py, and let me go through this. Suppose let me see here. I'm importing this Streamlit here. Import Streamlit as st. Now let's see. I'm writing st.info. Suppose you want to show some info. So I write a text here. This is data science page, and you can write any text. Doesn't matter, right? But I wrote this is data science page. Let me first run this. So Streamlit run and file name is status.py. Okay, anyway, just a minute. Let me save this. Yes, see this. So here we are able to show like st.info. This is the data science page and say I am able to show this. This is the data science page. Suppose you want to show warning. So let me go there. St.write. I want to show some warning here. Please check. Let me save this and rerun this. See, we are able to show warning also. Suppose you want to say show some error commands, just say st.error. I wrote an error here, please check. Let me save this. If you find, see, we got the error also. See, suppose you want to say show some success, so just see, run it. See, a success message, right? So st.info, st.warning, st.error, st.success. This is a very simple way to show some type of status in this dashboard. Okay. Suppose you want to write a code and you want to wait for the completion of that code, or you want to show into the dashboard, like it is taking some time. So let me show here. Suppose I wrote here one simple while loop. Intentionally, I take such a large number because I want to show you in the dashboard. So let me save this. Just go here. Just see this. It's working. Right. Let me rerun this. See, this is please wait and then done. Now let's do same thing in progress also. So let me do this. Here what he did, st.progress 0, and then I write while loop. So it will wait for that until the time it showing the status. Okay. Let me save this. Here you can see this is done. Now this is done. If you rerun again, see this. How this is happening. This is waiting. This is then this one. This will done. Now this is done. Okay, so we are able to see some status. How can we show in dashboard and Streamlit? And there are some status like error, warning, success message, info message. You are waiting for some code is running, so you can show that also. Okay, so this is the status basically in Streamlit. Thank you so much for watching this.